An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj. Class 1 and 2. Subject Value Education. Topic Being Polite. Hello children, welcome back to your Value Education class. Our today's topic is being polite. Now what do we mean by being polite? Being polite means being good with others, speaking kind words with others, and behaving nicely with others, whether they are your friends, your elders, or your relatives. So let us see what is politeness. Our topic is being polite. It's nice to be nice. Being polite to others means showing good manners in our behavior or speech. In the first picture, a boy is returning the spectacles of his friend. In the second picture, a boy is helping an old lady to walk. In the third picture, a boy is greeting his uncle. In all the three pictures, the children are showing good manners in their behavior. Why do we use polite words like excuse me, you're welcome, I'm sorry, thank you, please, may I? Polite words help us to deal with other people easily and smoothly. Now let's learn how can we really be polite. Now the first and most important one, listen and be understanding. Children, we should always listen carefully what others want to say and try to understand what they mean to say. The second one is avoid negative words. The less you respond to negative people, the more peaceful your life will become, because words have power. So always use polite words. The third and important one, say the magic word sorry, and once you say sorry, all your problems will disappear. The fourth one, avoid finger pointing statements for others. If you point your one finger towards others, your three fingers point towards you. Children, we have a fun activity for you to do. Draw and color this poster in your scrapbook and write down, be a good friend, be polite, and be nice in it. Along with this activity, we have a story for you. The story is of Chetan, Idika, and Raju. So enjoy the story and learn the values from it. Thank you.
One bright morning, Chetan, Idika, and Raju were playing football in the garden. While playing, the ball rolled over to a nearby house where Aunt Polly lived. Chetan rushed to collect the ball.
Hey you! Give me my ball back!
Aunt looked at him with big and angry eyes and threw the ball back, shouting,
Hey you kid! If the ball comes here again, you shall have it from me.
After some time, the ball rolled over to Aunt Polly's place again.
I won't go this time. Aunt Polly is too rude. She will surely scold me. Idika, why don't you go and ask for the ball this time? Don't worry, Chetan. Let me give it a try.
Idika asks Auntie.
Hello, Auntie. Sorry for bothering you again. But can I please take my football back?
Hearing the polite words, Aunt Polly smiled. She is not angry anymore. Auntie hands over the football and a chocolate to Idika.
Thank you so much.
Auntie smiled and replied,
It's okay, dear. You're most welcome.
Hi friends, I'm your friend Sipper, the sparrow. So what do we learn from this story? We learn that if we want others not to be rude with us, we should learn to practice it ourselves in the first place. We should always make use of polite words like please, sorry, and thank you. Goodbye.